Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure your Apple ID is the active account in Messages. This matters because turning off affects all signed devices. Open the Messages app now and sign in if prompted. Once done, check the Messages menu bar and choose Preferences. This is where you'll control accounts and sync behavior. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID so you don't accidentally disable messaging for a different account. In the iMessage tab under Preferences, you'll see your Apple ID and an Enable this account checkbox. Uncheck it to stop iMessage on this Mac. If you prefer complete removal, click Sign Out to sever the account from Messages entirely. This prevents new messages from arriving. Wait a moment after signing out so changes propagate to iCloud and other devices. Make sure to note whether you want SMS relay still active, because after you disable or sign out, quit Messages and relaunch to confirm no iMessage activity. Restarting the Mac can ensure the change sticks. If messages still appear, check your iPhone settings right arrow Messages, right arrow Send and Receive and remove the Mac's email/phone, because relays sometimes keep delivering. If that fails, sign out and back into Apple ID on the Mac, and then reboot. Network or iCloud sync issues occasionally require a router or system restart to clear caches and finalize the change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.